Hey, it's Qasim with Solutions 8, in case you don't already know. How could you not know it's on my channel? I don't even know why I say that. I want to share something with you that's awesome. It's from Datafeed Watch, and it is a step-by-step guide to smart shopping campaigns in 2021. Written by our friend Jamie, and she just crushed it. She crushed it. So if you're running smart shopping campaigns or you want to run smart shopping campaigns, this is absolutely the place to start. And look at just the value of the content here and how robust it is. I mean, she did a deep dive, which I really appreciate. Far too often, people are just pumping out content just to get something on the web, but they really dove in as deep as they could possibly go. If you were to follow this process, I think you'd be, oh my goodness, who is that handsome devil? He could use some more hair, but looks pretty sharp to me. And the other thing that I just would casually mention is we were contributors to the article, which may or may not be the reason I'm bringing it up. But even beyond our contribution, I added kind of the technical facets and components. Beyond our contribution, the remainder of the content is it's phenomenal. And Jamie did a great job, and Datafeed Watch always does a good job. We're super lucky to be partnered with them. Really grateful to them and for them. So I'll drop a link to the article in the description. Please check it out. Really valuable content there. Make sure to subscribe too. Datafeed Watch is always pushing out really good information. And by the way, if you're in e-commerce, if you're an online merchant, and I'm not an affiliate, I'm not getting paid for this. I just like their software and we use it. So if you're not using DFW, you're putting yourself at a massive disadvantage, because chances are, whatever it is, if you're on Shopify or whatever, BigCommerce, OS Commerce, Samcart, Volusion, all the things, they're not equipping you to optimize your data feed the way that you could be, and that's one of the most important facets of running paid traffic. So get on the ball there, make it happen, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all of this stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.